all over my eyeballs. It drives me crazy. So let's just see how this goes. What's up everyone, and welcome to today's video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Manders and this is my channel. We talk about a lot of things here, mostly makeup and skincare, sometimes nail polish. We have the occasional unboxing, but I almost always drop something. So if you're interested in any of those things, please stick around, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Today we are doing an eyeshadow palette review. I'm very excited. I have not been filming lately. I'm just starting to get back into the swing of things. So I figured let's do something easy. Let's do something fun today. And that will be the review of the Blueberry Muffin palette from BH Cosmetics. This is not a new palette. However, it's newish to my collection. I haven't filmed my video with it yet. So today is the day. I am super excited. We will start off like we do with all of my eyeshadow reviews. We will swatch these and then we will create a look. Oh, it's such a pretty palette. I'm very excited. All right, so these are the swatches. They swatched really easily. I tend to love any of their square pan palettes from BH Cosmetics. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not really sure what I wanna do. Really want to use this one Tempting because it's so like, it's given me the mermaid vibes. It's got a little bit of a blue brown shift to it. Well, I'm going to use the blues because it's a blue eyeshadow palette, but I am going to use some of the neutrals as well. I did something yesterday. I didn't use an eyeshadow primer. I just used my concealer and I stained my eyelids with the eyeshadow I used. So we will be using an eyeshadow base today. This is my favorite one. This is from Essence. I think it's discontinued though. If you ever find one, please let me know because I can't find it anywhere. It is such an easy eyeshadow base to use. And I'm just going to buff that in with a brush. No matter what eyeshadow I use with this eyeshadow base, my eyeshadow looks flawless every single time. And I haven't been using it lately, so I'm actually pretty stoked that I pulled it out for today. I did already do my full face of makeup because I don't have the energy to sit down and film and edit a full get ready with me right now, which I think is one of my biggest problems. So hopefully the first shade I'm gonna go in with is this one, Cheat Day. That is so pretty. It's this one right here. It's kind of got almost like a lilac undertone. It's pretty. And I'm just gonna take that on a blending brush from Farrah. It's a small tapered brush. I do like this size of brush when I'm using color. So I'm just gonna pat that along the crease. Yeah, see, it's almost got a little bit of a purple undertone. And I'm just gonna drag it through the crease like that. It's very pretty. It's very vibrant. Sometimes blue eyeshadows can be hard to work with. BH Cosmetics is usually pretty good. Like, they have some really nice eyeshadows. I can't wait to order the Sweet Shop palettes. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to review those. They just restocked all of them and I need all of them. They came out last summer and I didn't get them. And then most of them were out of stock. So I ended up not getting any of them, but now I'm ready. BH Cosmetics are like my favorite eyeshadows ever. If you have been here before, you have heard me talk about them. I actually now, after I use this palette, I'll be pretty close to using all of my BH Cosmetics palettes, and I want to film a ranking. Of all of my BH Cosmetics palettes. So I'm just going in on the other side doing the same thing. This is where makeup gets tricky. My eyes are different shapes, so I have to do two totally different things. It drives me crazy. For a blue shadow, that's blending really well. It's not like, it's not patchy, if that makes sense. It's another reason why I used an eyeshadow palette that I'm very an eyeshadow primer that I'm very comfortable with, because I know that most of my shadows do perform fairly well when I use that. So I'm just going in and making sure that everything's blended and looks even. Maybe a little patchy on the side. Now I do kind of want to deepen that up a little. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a clean brush and I'm going to go in with the shade Decadent right here. Super pigmented. So I'm just going to focus that on the outer corner and just kind of buff it through my crease. I don't want to take it as high as that first shade. So I'm using a tapered brush. It's pretty plum. That's pretty. I like that. I like those two colors together a lot. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take brush and I'm gonna go in with this shade So Good. And I'm gonna pop that along my lower lash line. So far, so good. These are blending. These blended really nicely. I am definitely going to use that shade Tempting. I'm going to take that on a flat brush. This is, oh, look at that. That is so pretty. Let's put that all over my eyeballs. Whoa. That's stinking pretty. Like, so nice. And I'm just focusing on that on the center of my lid because I don't want to go over the outer corner. I am going to go in and blend that out a little bit. There's not that much fallout, which is also awesome. I'm taking my time though. I don't want to put too much on. Holy fuck. The shift in the shadow is just like, wow. And I'm going to use the same brush and I'm just going to flip it over. And I'm going to go in with Hot and Fresh. That's this one right here. It's this beautiful silver. And I'm going to pop that along the inner corner of my lid and blend it up with that first shade, Tempting. I love that. I'm going to go back in with that shade Decadent now, and I'm just going to blend around the edges just to make sure everything is smooth. I love this. I haven't really wore much color lately, except for green. I love it so much. I'm going to finish it off using this amazing mascara from e.l.f. I will link my review video here. Surprise, surprise, it's awesome. I really like this mascara. It's very good. I'm going to curl my eyelashes real quick. He's like, you need to pay attention to me. The only downside to this mascara is the wand is super spiky, so make sure you don't get it in your eye. I did that the other day. Oh my goodness. I was so upset. I was like, no, it hurts so bad. You see that? Like, look at the length it gives. It's amazing. Overall, I have to say I am very pleased with this palette. It's getting a 4-star for sure. I'm going to play with it a little bit more. I will definitely do a ranking video of all of my BH Cosmetics palettes soon. I do have a few more that I need to get through, but so far I'm absolutely loving this look so far. And I know that there are other colors in this palette. For example, the shade Yummy looks beautiful. The shade Treat, I really like gray eyeshadows, so I will definitely use that. I like that there's some neutrals in here, and I like how there's some blues. Overall, I have to say I do enjoy this palette. It's affordable as well. It does not break the bank. So I'd have to say if you're looking for a good blue palette, check this one out. They also have an avocado toast palette that I have. I haven't done a dedicated review. Please let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see that. I do like that one as well. I love green palettes. Actually, I thought about not sitting down and filming eyeshadow today, and I was just going to use one of my favorite BH Cosmetics palettes. So I'm glad that I used this one. Had it in my collection for long enough now. It was time to do this video. Please let me know in the comments below. Do you like this product? Do you hate this product? How are you doing? And what is new? I am hoping that this will be the first of many videos that you do see, and I absolutely love all of your continued support, and I can't wait to hang out with you guys again in my next video. Bye for now. I actually have a whole bunch of videos sitting here ready to be filmed as soon as this one's done. Wish me luck. That happens every time. My cat is being so loud.